Today, we'll go deep into the techniques and methods that might enable you to live a life of wealth. I'm happy to discuss with you a fascinating subject about which everyone is interested: how to get rich. Yes, you heard correctly. I'll be exposing 10 strong tips and tactics in this video that you really need to know if you want to find the way to success and prosperity. Keep watching to the very end because the 10th secret is the most important one if you're ready to make your goals come true and join the ranks of the financially independent people. 1. Don't let your money sit around unused. You've already put aside a considerable sum, right? Great. But the value always stays the same in the bank account or beneath the bed at home. Make your money work for you by making investments, such as in the stock market. Undoubtedly, a lot of knowledge is needed for this. It's crucial to diversify your stock holdings and avoid concentrating on just one business or industry. Your risk on the stock market will decrease as it becomes more diversified. 2. Continue to be ambitious and ambitious. You would have been wealthy long ago if your current way of living had that effect. Consequently, it is obvious that you need to make modifications. This may, for instance, be moving to a different city or nation where you have greater work chances or finding a new position where you can finally use your credentials. There is no doubt that such actions demand guts. But money doesn't just fall into your lap, it also flows the opposite way. Therefore, maintain your ambition and don't let your fear of change force you to veer off your route to financial freedom. If you want more financial tricks, then do subscribe our channel. 3. Maintain patience. One of the most crucial characteristics is patience, which is also the basic step in figuring out how to get wealthy. Next week, next month, or the day after that, wealth won't come knocking at your door. Before you reach financial independence and beyond, it can take years. You must take this time out as wealth grows gradually. It will be worthwhile, always keep that in mind. Maintaining focus on the task at hand will help you avoid burying your head in the sand. 4. Look for opportunities to save money. You must first assess your financial situation in detail in order to expand your money. What are your biggest expenses? What expenses do you routinely pay for yet don't truly have? You haven't worked out at that club in decades, but are you still paying your membership fees? Are there any streaming services that you pay for but never use? Because you never compared pricing, are you paying absurdly expensive insurance premiums? Keep an eye on your money at all times and don't let it go to chance. A great tool in this area is to write a budget book. You may also use a budgeting app if you wish. By doing this, you'll always be able to see what's left at the end of the month and, if you're being honest, what you're spending a lot of money on unnecessarily. As a result, maintaining financial management at all times is the key to get rich. If you also have any other goal than getting rich, then do let me know in the comments. 5. Always give 110%. While 100% are nice, 110% are superior. Because this is where the wheat is distinguished from the chaff. Do you constantly go above and beyond what is required of you, or do you stand out with a flawless work ethic? You won't get wealthy if you continually go with the flow. Work is necessary since only those who put in the effort will also be rewarded. After all, how are you going to earn money if you don't work and only relax all the time? 6. Become an early bird. You know how they say, the early bird gets the worm, don't you? If that's the case, it's time for you to go along with it because it's genuinely true. The majority of self-made superachievers on this planet will honestly respond, I got up before everyone else and was thus always one step ahead of them when asked how they had gotten this far. 7. Do not proceed carelessly during the day. On the path to financial prosperity, time is of the essence. Structures are necessary if you want to work as effectively as possible toward your objective. We humans can do more when we've got routines that we can follow, as has been demonstrated by studies. Don't merely live for the day, instead, schedule specific activities for particular times each day. 8. Make the proper connections around you. With motivating and encouraging individuals nearby, you can get rich. You must have already come across someone who utterly deflated your sails. He has little demands placed on himself or his life, views everything in a negative light, and never leaves his current position, either professionally or financially. People like them just serve to drag you down when all you want is to soar. So surround yourself with individuals who share your goals and are as determined as you are and who share same kind of values. Your support as well as inspiration for one another is mutual. Together, they make the difficult journey to the destination considerably less difficult and easier. 9. Try to get a career that you enjoy. You will undoubtedly put in a tremendous amount of time working if you want to get wealthy. It's crucial that you like your work in order to maintain motivation. Otherwise, you run a far higher risk of giving up. If you choose a job that you like, then you won't feel any pressure in doing the tasks. 10. Be courageous and enter the world of self-employment. You've already mastered planning and rising early, right? Then consider starting your own business. If the typical wage in your field might be higher and you don't have the opportunity to earn your full salary in a permanent employment, it may be very desirable to do this. Businesses involves risks, but once it is established, you can earn enormous profits. 11. Make an investment in yourself. No one else, not even yourself, can guide you to success. So don't be hesitant to take some cash and invest it in yourself. You will get useful knowledge from coachings in self-employment, self-actualization, entrepreneurship, productivity, and other topics that will help you advance and get closer to your objective. That's all for this video. Now you are well aware of all the 11 secrets to get rich. If you loved watching this video, then do press the like button and also hit the red subscribe button to get notified with amazing financial videos daily. Do comment below your opinion about this video. Thank you for watching till here.